Hello again, we came back to our Android application and developing Android app with Cloud Code, Cloud 4. So, in the last part, I added the category like with these tags. Now I want to add a donut chart, so we have the list of expenses categorized by the donut chart. So it shouldn't be hard. Let's ask it to add a donut chart. But before I ask what I want to see how it thinks about it. Look at the code. Let me talk. I would like to add a donut chart to show all the expenses by the category and group by the category of them, which is tag here. Inside the donut chart, I want it to be next to my total expenses so I can see the small donut chart maybe in the left side and the expenses maybe on the right side. I want you to implement this donut chart also by the compose. But before implementing it, please tell me what is your plan and how you want to implement it and how it looked like after implementation. Yeah, let's see. So I assume that it will create something for me. I would like to put the donut chart somewhere here. My total cost maybe. Yeah. This changed a bit. My total expense was there. 23. This is our current UI. I want to have a donut chart here. Something like this. And let's see. It's right reading my code. Design donut chart component with compose. Okay. Here's a compact donut chart that sits alongside the total expenses card. Left side will show donut chart, right side shows the total amount exactly. Each tag category will have distinct color for the material. Nice. Including legend below for. I'm not sure about the legend. What makes it very dirty? Now I want to change it. I did implement it, maybe we can change it. The data class has expenses stored and typing. Looks great. Let's implement it. Great. And it's okay. I will pause the video and when it finishes, I will come back. Okay, one thing that happened I finished the implementation, everything good. Some message came here at the down part that you reached the limit of the opus and switch to the sonnet. I don't know. Uh, I'm not working with it. I'm like coding with it less than 1 hour. I'm not even putting so much pressure on it. But so far it worked very well. I mean, mm, I still don't know if it what was the difference between Sonnet 3.7, but so far everything I asked it did it very well. Now it switched to Sonnet 4. Let's see how it works, how much is difference. There's one thing that I want to mention. Okay, I want to add something to memory. When you finished implementation, build the debug version and use ATB to run the app on my device. I'm gonna save it in the project memory. Let's see how it works. Okay, now run oh, on the app on my device. While it's trying to run, I can take a look at it's just this file is changed. I think so. Yeah, it's not just true. There are some other files that are changed. Yeah, we have a donut chart, legend, a contract on view model change. Have a have new use cases. We have this. This is that. Yeah, this is that. Interesting. What happened? Okay, it didn't open the app. I will open it myself. No change here. Wow. This is so far the most beautiful donut chart I see. The only issue is that it's not visible which color is which. And it looks a bit suspicious to me. Let me add more data to travel, like something big. Ooh. Aha. Ah, it's working. It is working. Amazing. I like this. Just need to add same colors to the legend. So notice another background for each row similar to color in the yeah. I like it. One thing that I'm not sure if what if we have like more than four categories, then is it going to be a mess? Let's try 9 dog. Dog expensive is important. Um, what else? 500. Let's say right. Mm, yeah, it's going to show us all the tags, which is not a good idea. For now, we can keep it. I don't know. For now, I don't have any other idea of what is going on here. Mm-hmm. Solid. Installing it. This install the book is not working. Just yeah. Next step, I would like to add something, the ability to edit these items. Install it. I'm not even open it. I will do it myself. Ooh, nice. I love it. Can we just show top 3 legends on the card and put the like arrow button to expand this card if we need? Because when the legends are long, when we have more than like 3 legends, then this card will be so big that we cannot see other stuff. So maybe make it expandable and just show top 3 cards on the top. But I want to first commit everything. Uh, then I have to remove everything. It's okay. Let's see. When it starts to make a mess, you're getting to a good result. You want to change it and then destroy everything. And actually, I want to have this beautiful design here. I want to have some overview about my expenses, everything. In the next video, I'm gonna update the UI of this. It's already nice. I like this donut part. It was very beautiful. But I don't like this toolbar or this color. This thing is it's just boring. And I'm gonna use Cloudy Desktop to design it for me and validate the design before I move here. And then I'm going to take that design when I'm happy with it and give it to Cloud Code to implement the design for me. But for now, we have works here to do. Oh, it's easy to change all it. Okay, okay, I will open this myself. Mm -hmm. Mm -hmm. This is what I want. Show through more, show less. Could add some animation, but it's okay for now. No, I want to add. Could you add some animation for expanding and collapsing these tags? When we click on show like 3 more, let's add some animation when we expand the card. It's fun. It's never been that much fun developing Android apps. Okay, I have a cool idea about it and what I want to add next. Okay, let's add 2.2 for house. It's cool. Yeah, now it's better. I love it. Amazing. Commits or changes. and I'm gonna publish this app. That's what I'm thinking to do. I'm going to maybe even get the help from the cloud itself, ask it how I can publish it. So when you want to do that, you can also do the same, you know. I don't want to do it manually. I want to ask, like, I have no idea how to do that, and I'm gonna use an email account so we can go through all the process how we can publish an app in the Google Play. Okay, perfect. Now, if you're still with me and you're not bored, I want to add another change. Now, let's add, let's talk. Same donut chart to the other page when we add expenses. So I want to have similar card, but I don't want to show the legends like we are doing here because it will take a lot of space from us. Instead, I want when user hold the finger like long press on a specific part of the donut chart. For example, if user hold on the part that is related to travel tag, I want that part became kind of a bit highlighted, and we show the legend of that part, which is saying, for example, travel 64% and 1000. So all the information like hovered under the finger of the user. And when user left the finger, uh, I want it to disappear. So we just show that when user long press on the, I mean, not just long press, just press on the any part of donut chart. We just show what is it for and how much percentage is it. This can be the default functionality of the donut chart, so we can have this even in the list of expenses. So just add this functionality to the donut chart, or when user click on the press on somewhere on the donut chart, we just show like a tooltip that is hovered and showing how much is what is that category and how much is the expenses. Okay, things getting more complicated. AI putting good. It increased my expectations. I love it. Okay, now I'm thinking to do something else at the same time. Cloud. In the list of expenses, we have no way to edit or to remove any expenses. So add this functionality for me to be able to edit it or remove it. Also, I would like to change the time. Like for example, if there is an expense that is not for today, it's for another day, I want to have this functionality. I mean, oh, shit, okay, no, wrong. The thing is, this tool that I'm using, it's just copy and paste what you are saying in the place that your cursor is. So when this tool automatically open this screen for me, and then I'm finishing talking, and I automatically paste it in the other screen. I need to talk to it again. Please don't open another screen. Okay, happen. I will type. Also type can be. Okay, this is getting annoying. Hmm, this is supposed to be a feature, but for multitasking, this is not a good feature. Alright, I will just open some other input. I will write it here, then I will copy paste it. Or I can just open my project here. See, and okay, yeah, I like it is much more than coding inside the IDE. It's just better. I still don't like this integration. It's not that good yet. I prefer like this. I mean, I need to also discover what do you mean system is so slow. We are getting to the end of our context. It's just okay. Let me say it here. It finished. We have some bugs. I will try to fix it. In our expense list, there is no way to remove or edit any expenses. I want to have this functionality. This function. Okay. Take this out. Dangerous. Could you think deep and plan it for me? But before code, show your okay. and some words. Oh, I'm approaching my usage limit. Nice. But it's good, and just until 9 minutes. Um, but still, I didn't reach the limit. I'm approaching the limit. Yeah, Oppo's taking a lot of. It's feeling the limit very fast. Even that now I've switched on Sonnet, but I kinda used a lot of my usage limit. I'm gonna stay with Sonnet. Maybe if I felt that Sonnet is not working, then I switch on Opus. Um, don't see what is the benefit of working with Opus. I mean, maybe I don't know. Like ISA, this do not chart. It has bug. It made bugs, and it's trying to fix it. And it's kinda shouldn't be that much hard for it. It's just one file changes, and why it's just doing this stuff. Maybe if it was Opus, it would be much better. Maybe it could one-shot it and don't have to fix it all the time. Mhm. This is the plan. Swap to delete. Okay. Tap to edit. This is nice. It's using the same UI. Still, things going hard for uh, Sonnet. Oh, finished. Okay. We don't have any test yet. Okay, we have something here. Let's tap and hold to see what's happening. I think maybe I need to do it on my phone. Nope, it's not working here. No. Functional. Also, mm, edit page. We want to show the total expense and font. So, and to have it, but we don't want to output save and click on the tag and page. Don't have them. Okay, let's see. It's not working. Why is showing it somewhere out of the screen that I can't see? Or and we are getting to the reset limit. Okay, edit and implement. Okay. Maybe it's better to, yeah, we passed the limit. It's good. Another screen. Witness the functional. Just make the keypad as a custom. And use. Let's see. We have something. Nothing. I'm touching and nothing is happening. Yeah, touch is working, but found segment is not. So, no, it's exactly understand. Okay, let me send this logger. Yeah, everything is okay actually, but as you saw, when I'm touching on it, so I can clear the logs to see, it cannot find the segment that I touched. So that's the issue. There are some miscalculation here. It's very complicated, this calculation. I don't want to witness. I mean, it wasn't an easy task to do. Maybe it's better to switch in the focus now, since we reset the limit. Okay. Uh, for now, then we need to touch it. It's not working like this. Okay, this is good. Let's wait here. I'm not gonna launch it together because both of them are working on the same page. Steve, okay, it's just a second. one thing that I feel, which is you're feeling the context much slower than before. This is what I'm feeling. I already did a lot, and you still didn't get to the max of the context limit. Even that the context limit didn't change, it's still 200k, but we're still in the same chat that we started. It's cool. But definitely I don't like to use it inside the IDE. Maybe shows here. Just add this here and it will fix it. Sometimes it's better to do it manually if you know what you're doing. I will pause the video and when it's finished I will come back. Okay, I came back and while this is showing error, but the app is working. I just assumed that it didn't load correctly, but the app is working now, exactly what I wanted. And sometimes it's going out of the screen, but it's enough for me. This is so cool, right? Yeah, if I click somewhere better, maybe, but can you anchor, anchor? Yes, it's from anchor tooltip from top left. It always show to right side of result in there. So is that's going to sometimes get out of the screen. Slightly change. Yeah, let's because it's just showing it in the middle. If it change the anchor of tooltip would be amazing then. And I would be okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, you see it didn't update it yet. It's not a good idea to code inside the IDE. I don't like it. I don't need any IDE now. I mean, it's good to check the code, but I don't need it now. Even for running the app, I don't need to come here and press on this run. It can run it automatically. I just need my emulator or my real device. Mm-hmm. Probably finished. Let's see. Mm, okay, not bad. No, it's not bad. It's good. It's perfect. It's amazing. Amazing. Commit your changes. So that now that I'm thinking, I need to add some critical features. One of them is to be able to see the report per month. So now it's showing everything. There is no way to say this month, last month, to see the other months. So we should be able to just see this month report because we don't want all of it. We want to know how much we spent this month. Also, when we add expenses, we should be able to also edit the months, like maybe I want, or edit the date, maybe I want to add some expense for yesterday. So this is very important. Also, I want to update the UI. And another thing to be able to add other currencies, like now it's dollar, I'm living in Europe, so I would like to be able to change it to the euro, for example. These are the critical features. After that, I can publish it. Then I can add other features, like for example, syncing in the like your Google Drive. I don't need to even add any database to myself, any server. I want to add it to your Google Drive. Um, I'm thinking to add the feature to take images. Like when you add anything, you can also take a picture. For example, if there is a receipt, you can take a picture of the receipt, and then you can get a report. Like maybe I can make a report in the Google Sheet for your months with all of your receipts. Also, I'm thinking to add maybe some AI functionality. So you just take a picture and it's already can read how much is your expenses and already add it here. So you don't even have to put anything manually. You can even choose your tag. Uh, I would like to add some stuff like this, but for now, I just want to show you how you can create a map, how you can release it. For that, I want to have a minimum value of an app that I can publish it and I can get the approval for publishing. Okay, let's implement it. Let's do it. I know I wrote it wrong, but let's do it. Edit is also very important. If you put something wrong, you should be able to edit it, no? Mhm. I can pause it until I finish. Okay, it finished. Let's test the app. I'm gonna open it. Oh, it did a change. Now when I open it, showing the list. For now it's okay. And they have hover, or I mean, this is the mouse. If I go right finger, then press something, it becomes hard. When I click on it, it goes to edit. Mhm. What is this? We have issue here. I don't like it. Okay, how it works? Delete. Yeah, I don't know what I deleted. Let's delete this one, which is much more obvious. Okay, it worked. Let's delete another big one. This time I want to use this feature. Yes, worked. It's just this is working. Yeah, date, dog, no, dog, travel. I'm just, I'm afraid if it's also destroyed this key on it. Now it's working. Okay, a little bit work, I can fix this. I guess it's enough for today's video. In the next video, I'm gonna upgrade our design to interesting. You see, I removed the dog and the dog had totally removed